Hello, my name is Rick Boyas and I will be going to conduct a polygraph test to you. So before we begin, I want to explain the process of polygraph test. So the polygraph mission.
Sure.
So before we begin, I want to explain the process of polygraph test. It measures your physiological responses such as heart, blood pressure, and perspiration to determine stress levels related to following questions I will discuss later. So this test is completely voluntary. Do you understand and agree to proceed?
Yes, sir.
So, do you have any medical conditions that may affect the test, such as heart or disease?
No, sir.
Are you currently taking any drugs or medication that affects your nervous system?
None, sir.
Have you had a full night's sleep?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's start. Is your full name Greg Del Pilar?
Yes, sir.
Is today March 15?
No, sir. March 14, sir.
Have you ever told a lie in your life?
Minor lies, sir.
Have you broken a minor rule such as speeding or taking office?
No, sir.
So, did you steal the phone?
I didn't steal a phone, sir.
So did you intentionally get that phone from Miss Maris?
She sold it to me, sir.
So where were you that time?
She. I was at my home, sir.
Have you ever discussed this incident with anyone else?
No, sir, because I thought that she was selling me cheap phones, sir.
Did you eat earlier?
Yes, sir.
Did you drink soft drinks?
No, sir.